Welcome to aminacademy.com. In theory of equations, by solving cubic equations using Cardano's method. Cardano's method, also known as the Cardano formula, provides a way to find the roots of cubic equations. It involves transforming the general cubic equation into a depressed cubic. Then, using a series of algebraic manipulations to find the solution. What is depressed cubic equation means? Here there is a cubic term, but square term vanishing and x and constant terms are there. That means it's called a depressed equation that gives some solution. From that we can get the complete solution. The Cardano's method is a ultimate method for the solving cubic equations. First step is transform the cubic equations. Start with a general cubic equation in the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals 0. Divide the equation by a leading coefficient a, that means x cubed coefficient is a. Divide throughout to get x cubed. Then b by a x squared plus c by ax plus d by a equals 0. That means divide throughout by leading coefficient x. That means a you have to divide. Perform a substitution to eliminate the quadratic term, that is x equal y minus b over 3a. This term important here. This transformation results in a depressed cubic equation of the form y cube plus py plus q. Here y square term vanish. Second step, solve the depressed cubic. After making a depressed equation, you have to solve by using this formula. Use the following formula to find the roots. Solution for the depressed cubic equations, that is y equal cubic root of minus q by 2 plus cubic root of q squared by 4 plus pq by 27 plus cubic root of minus q by 2 minus cubic root of q squared by 4 plus pq by 24. This is a long formula, will give the value of y, where p and q are the coefficients of the depressed cubic equations. This is cubic root represents the cubic root symbol. What is discriminant in cubic equation? The value inside the square root of q squared by 4 plus pq by 24, that is in the formula, is called the discriminant. It determines the nature of the roots. If the discriminant is positive, there are 3 real roots. If the discriminant is 0, there are 3 real roots, but at least 2 are equal. If the discriminant is negative, there is a 1 real root and 2 complex conjugate roots. Next point, find the root of the original cubic. Once you find the roots y of the depressed cubic, substitute them back into a equation x equal y minus b over 3a to find the corresponding roots x of the original cubic equation. Last in summary, Cardano's method involves transforming a cubic equation into a simpler form, solving that simpler equation, and then transforming the solution back to find the roots of the original cubic. Shortly we'll return back. That is, first transform the cubic equation. That means the original equation is ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Then divide throughout by a. Perform a substitution to eliminate a quadratic term, that is a square term will vanish. In that we have to substitute x equal to y minus b over 3a. This equation becomes y cube plus, after substitution it becomes y cube plus by plus q. Then solve the depressed equation by using this formula and find the original root of the cubic equation is by substitution as x equal to y minus b over 3a. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.